Angela Krisztina. I'm welcoming you guys in our first YouTube channel. First of all, I want to introduce you guys to my best friend and my partner in Juice Plus Company.
Hi, it's Anita.
And my very brand new partner,
Ashley Nickole.
we're going to make you something very delicious. What are the ingredients?
So let's see. We have some bananas. It's my favorite. I love the strawberries. We have blueberries, raspberries, and these are blackberries, right?
Mm-hmm.
Blackberries. And what else do we have here? Of course, the juice plus shakes.
Yes.
The most important ingredient.
Of course.
So I love the chocolate one, and I think Angie loves the vanilla.
I love the vanilla. This is my very best.
And my favorite's the chocolate.
Mine too. I hope you're gonna like mine. So I was thinking to do a chocolate one, and I always add banana because it makes it so creamy.
And it's great for potassium.
And I love the taste. It makes it so amazing. So I'm gonna use my small blender. It's like a personal blender. I really love this.
This is so nice. This is great for on the go or going to work.
Yeah, because you just make it and then it's right here. So you just put this on and you can drink it in the car.
That's
and
amazing.
you don't even have to clean the blender. That's what
I really love this blender.
It's so cute. So yes, we are going to use the almond milk,
Of course, it's organic.
organic
And dairy free.
yes.
Dairy free is not so healthy nowadays. So we recommend almond milk, oat milk, coconut water, cashew milk, something of that nature.
It's gonna be so yummy. So then put the chocolate powder.
And this protein powder does have minimally processed soy, but it is plant-based.
Plant-based, so it's perfect for vegans.
Perfect for vegans. How many grams of proteins in it? About
Let's see.
13?
Let me see. It says 13 grams, yes. And
13 grams of
it's all
protein.
plant proteins. So
All plant-based.
So it's so amazing. Okay, so
So
what should
which
I do?
banana are you gonna use?
I'm
The
gonna use
small
that.
or
I'm gonna use the small one because I
because
have
it's
a small
sweeter,
one.
right?
I think so.
And they're so cute. They're like little snack size.
They're so cute. Look.
And rumor has it that they're even more organic than the bigger ones.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, and let's do strawberries too, right? Because I love-
Strawberries.
I love strawberries.
And we all know that anything red helps to promote heart health. So red strawberries will help feed your heart so it can be healthy and strong.
What about raspberries?
Ooh, raspberries.
Why
even
not,
more red.
right?
Yes, we
Yay.
love
I'm
raspberries.
gonna put a little bit of everything in it because I love
Oh, that's gonna be
berries
a
so much.
special juice.
Blueberries,
I
they're
mean,
good for
shake.
antioxidants.
Perfect.
Are we having any strawberries actually in the red bottle?
Do we have strawberries?
I don't think any strawberries are in the red bottle. I think the strawberries are actually in the purple bottle.
Exactly. Yeah, you are right.
Because in the purple blend, you found all of your berries, so this is great for antioxidants. And just to be correct, strawberries are not in this blend either. It has raspberry, bilberry, blueberry, cranberry, pomegranate, Concord grape, black currant, blackberry, elderberry, artichoke, and cocoa.
Oh my
So
god.
yummy. Oh my god.
I am
it's
so
good.
excited.
How can you
I
get
can't
all of those
wait.
ingredients in one serving?
It's crazy.
It's impossible.
It's
It's amazing. So we actually have 30 fruits and vegetables in those bottles.
Wow.
Right?
I sometimes
It's
put it
amazing.
on my shakes because we have all the ingredients here what we need, but if you want to do some extra booster, I definitely get in my little bottles, opening up.
Mhm.
And
You
of
put
course
it in the shake.
it comes in organic and plant-based little capsules.
Mhm.
I think it's from tapioca, right?
Yes.
And you just open it up. It's very easy, and basically just
And if you want to be lazy, you don't even have to open it up. You can actually just put the whole capsule in there because
Exactly.
the capsules are vegan as well.
Exactly.
I'm gonna just
So these
Spice
are
it up.
great for seniors, people who are caregivers. If you make that senior a simple smoothie every morning and just pop those Juice Plus pills inside of the blender with it, you don't have to worry about them swallowing anything and having a mishap. So it's recommended that you put those capsules in the blender with your smoothie, and you kill 2 birds with 1 stone.
That's an amazing information. Thank you, Ashley.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much. And so I was thinking to also put maca powder in
Yes,
it. Super
that's
healthy.
a special.
Do you guys know why this is healthy?
Absolutely. It's actually really helping your ivories to strengthen your ivories and
Yeah.
keep your health, your women health, so much longer
Yeah.
to be
I
alive.
yeah.
And
Women have to take this before they want to get pregnant.
Right.
Definitely put that